One wish, Willow. Amaze your friends. You only get one wish. Spark the middle and break it in half. I wish everybody bought a ticket to my show. Yeah, right. You know the way this works? Quinn. Yo. What's up? Yeah, no, it's fine. I mean, I wish you would have told me sooner, but if you're sick, you're sick. What the fuck? Yo, are you here right now? Yeah, I know you said you're not feeling well, but there's like 9 people staring at me right now. Yeah, they came out of nowhere. No, I don't know them. I do not know them. I just got out of my car. Yes, I heard you, man. You're home. You're sick. I understand that, but are you sure you're not fucking with me right now? No, I'm not lying to you. Yes, 9. All right, look, I'm gonna go up to him, all right? All right, I'll call you later.
Hey, over here! Over here!
Yo.
JCG! Over here!
Yo,
What's up, dude? What's up, dude? I want to go to the show! Hey, over here! Over here! We want to come to the show.
Okay. Yeah, my show. Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, August 8th.
Hey, what are you guys doing here?
We needed to be here.
We want to come to the show!
Oh, I want to come to the show too, please! Please, please!
Yes, I understand. You're here for my show. It's at 7 o'clock. It's all ages, and it's in the Arts District.
Where can we get tickets?
Yeah, you can get your tickets in the link in my bio. Yeah, I'm a little lost on why you're here, though.
and we know the lineup.
When?
3J Slump,
Mercy?
Adriel,
And JCG!
Yeah, we got a pretty good lineup. We got some art vendors, too. And yes, I'm JCG, yeah.
I want to come to the show! No, I want to come to the show! I want to come to the show! I want to go to the show! I want to go to the show! I want to go to the show!
August 8th, 3 art vendors, 5 artists. It's gonna be one you don't want to miss, all right?
Come to the show!
Come to the show.